Welcome to Journeys in Color. My name is Billy Wang, the founder of TECHxARTISAN Studio from Guangzhou, southern China. This is my partner Kevin Peng.
Hello, I'm Kevin, Software Technical Director.
And this is Sean Lin.
Hi, I'm Song, Hardware Technical Director.
Our studio was founded in 2020. We are a creative technology studio. We work with numerous artists in China. Our joint art creation apply fascinating technology, such as kinetic polyhedrons, anamorphic LED light, robotic arm, machine learning, kinetic wall. It has been a terrific experience to work with Bramston Studio from the UK on the Color Tower project in the past couple months. In spite of global pandemic, which has prevented us from working face-to-face, we got the work done. So we hope you will enjoy your journey in color at the Bow Museum. Thanks.